Hello everyone, my name is Siddhanth. I'm a first year studying at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and today I'm going to be talking about list, tuple, and dictionary in Python. List, tuple, set, dictionary. There are four collection data types in the Python programming language. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable, allows duplicate members. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, and it also allows duplicate members. Set is a collection which is unordered, unindexed, and has no duplicate members. Dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed, no duplicate members. When choosing a collection type, it is useful to understand the properties of that type. Choosing the right type of a particular data set could mean retention of meaning, and it could mean an increase in efficiency or security. List. A list is a collection which is ordered and changeable. In Python, lists are written with square brackets. Example, to create a list, let's take a list and name it this list. This list is equal to sign, and within the square brackets you mention apple, banana, and cherry within double quotes. And the command print this list prints the output as apple, banana, and cherry within the square brackets. Lists are just like arrays, declared in other languages. Lists need not to be homogeneous always, which makes it a more powerful tool in Python. A single list may contain data types like integers, strings, as well as objects. Lists are mutable, and hence they can be altered even after their creation. Lists in Python are ordered and have a definite count. The elements in a list are indexed according to a definite sequence, and the indexing of a list is done with 0 being the first index. Each element in the list has its definite place in the list, which allows duplicating elements in the list, with each element having its own distinct place and credibility. Note, lists are a useful tool for preserving a sequence of data and further iterating over it. List index. We can use the index operator square brackets to access an item in a list. The index starts from 0, so for example, a list having 5 elements will have an index from 0 to 4, as per the example given below. Python list methods. A method is a way to modify a list, and the following methods are as follows. Python list methods. Append. Append is a Python list method which allows you to add an element to the end of the list. Extend. Add all elements of a list to the other list. Insert. Insert an item at the defined index. Remove. Removes an item from the list. Pop. Removes and returns an element at the given index. Clear. Removes all items from the list. Index. Returns the index of the first matched item. Count. Returns the count of a number of items passed as an argument. Sort. Sort items in a list in ascending order. Reverse. Reverse the order of items in the list. Copy. Returns a shallow copy of the list. By using append and extend, we can add one more item to a list using append method or add several items using extend method, as per the example given below. Some examples of Python list methods are as follows. Let's say a list name is my underscore list and the given data types are integers. To print my list.index 8, that will print, it will give the output as 8 because it starts from 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it repeats after 4, which is index number 6. It starts again from the beginning at 3, where the index is 0, but instead the index will be 7 over here in this case. And the next number, which is next value, which is 8, will have the index number 8. So it prints 8. Tuple. In Python, a tuple is similar to list except that the objects in the tuple are immutable, which means we cannot change the elements of a tuple once assigned. On the other hand, we can change the elements of a list. Tuple versus list. The elements of a list are mutable, whereas the elements of a tuple are immutable. When we do not want to change the data over time, the tuple is preferred a data type, whereas we need to change the data in future. List would be a wise option. Iterating over the elements of a tuple is faster compared to iterating over a list. Elements of a tuple are enclosed in a parenthesis, whereas the elements of a list are enclosed in square bracket. To access tuple elements, we use indexes to access the elements of a tuple, accessing tuple elements using positive indexes. Indexes starts with 0. That is why we use 0 to access the first element of a tuple, 1 to access the second element, and so on. Tuple methods. Methods that add items or remove items are not available with tuple. Only the following two methods are available. Count of x returns the number of items x. Index of x. It returns the index of the first item that is equal to x, as the given example below. Dictionary. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed. In Python, dictionaries are written with curly brackets and they have keys and values. The examples are as follows. Accessing items. You can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square brackets. For example, to get the value of the model key in the given dictionary, let's name the dictionary as this dict. So brand will be the key, Ford will be the value. Likewise, model will be the key, Mustang will be the value of the key, year will be the key, and 1964 will be the value. To get the output of that particular key which we want, we can use a variable name as x is equal to this dict of the key name. And the output will be the value that is stored inside the key name. So in this example, it is given as model. So x is equal to this dict model. So the value that model contains is Mustang, therefore the output is Mustang. There is also a method called get that will give you the same result as the example given below. Dictionary methods. Clear removes all the elements from the dictionary. Copy returns a copy of the dictionary. From keys returns a dictionary with specified keys and values. Get returns the value of a specified key. Items returns a list containing a tuple for each key value pair. Keys returns a list containing the dictionary's keys. Pop removes the element with a specified key. Pop item removes the last inserted key value pair. Set default returns the value of the specified key. If the key does not exist, insert the key with the specified value. Update updates the dictionary with the specified key value pairs. Values returns a list of all the values in the dictionary. Built-in functions with the dictionary. All return true if all keys of the dictionary are true, or if the dictionary is empty. Any return true if any key of the dictionary is true. If the dictionary is empty, then return false. Len return the length or the number of items in the dictionary. Comp compares items of two dictionaries. Sorted returns a new sorted list of keys in the dictionary. Examples are given below. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.